Hello, good morning. In this presentation, I would like to discuss about the drones, types and operation, and what will be the cost. What are the rules? So in most of the functions and events today, we see drones operating there in the air. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with its own specific capabilities and uses. Depending on their technology, size and utility, they are classified into different categories. We will see these issues in this presentation. I am Dr. P. Sriram from Visakhapatnam, India. Welcome you. The drones classification, basing on their technology, are mainly single rotor, multi-rotor, fixed wing, and hybrid model as shown in the slide. There are much more developments in the drone technology which also identify them with how they are controlled either by special remote controller or cell phone based control, GPS control, and also on the types of batteries, cameras they use, and the ranges they cover. So these are the types based on the technology. After technology based classification of drones, we will see how the drones are classified as per their weight. So the drones classification based on their weight is given here in the slide. They start from the small size known as nano, less than 250 grams, followed by micro, small, medium, and large, as indicated in the slide. After seeing the classification of drones basing on their technology and weight, now we will see how they are classified basing on their uses, like for agriculture, forest and wildlife, urban development monitoring works, healthcare, traffic management, homeland security, disaster management, and mining. In addition to the drones, they are also used for logistics, photography, videography, light shows in the sky, etc. Some pictures of drones and their utility in the field is shown in this slide, such as for agriculture purpose, light show, and transport. These are some of the examples of drones and their utility. Drone operations require some basic training and practice, as they may cause injuries to others and also damage themselves by collision with other objects. There are some intelligent drones which have self-monitoring and self-safeguarding capabilities. In some countries, it is required to have license to operate drones such as small, medium, and large. Also, there are restricted zones, particularly in the vicinity of airports, sensitive areas, etc. There will be designated green, yellow, and red zones are known as open area, specific area, and certified areas for operation. As told earlier, in many countries, permission is required to procure and operate the drones. Depending on the features available in the drones, their costs start from $20 to $5,000 or more. In Indian currency, their cost starts from about 2,000 rupees and goes beyond rupees 5 lakhs or more. However, some military drones will be much more costlier. Some other samples of drone light shows is given here. Depending on the number of drones and duration of the show, the light show cost will range between 2 lakh rupees to more than 25 lakh rupees in India, as they require specific software and trained persons to operate them. But nowadays, these light shows have become great shows to watch and also to perform for all many occasions and for specific occasions in every country. So these are some of the basic analysis on types of drones. The operational requirement and cost are discussed. Now a small audio-visual presentation will be followed by this. Please watch and enjoy. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered about the various uses of drones? These remarkable machines, once the stuff of science fiction, have now firmly planted themselves in our reality, revolutionizing a multitude of industries. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of drones, comparing and contrasting the different types and their myriad uses. We begin with the most recognized type of drones, those used for videography. These drones, equipped with high-resolution cameras, have revolutionized the world of film and photography. They've taken camera angles to new heights, literally, enabling filmmakers to capture breathtaking aerial shots that were once only possible with expensive helicopter rentals. But their use isn't limited to Hollywood. From real estate photography to wildlife documentaries, videography drones are making their mark. Venture into the world of agriculture and you'll find drones buzzing over fields and orchards. Agricultural drones, equipped with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities, help farmers monitor crop health, track livestock, and even apply fertilizers or pesticides. They provide a bird's-eye view of the farm, making large-scale agriculture more manageable and efficient. But drones aren't just about working the land or capturing the next blockbuster shot. They're also about moving goods from one place to another. Transport drones, sometimes called delivery drones, are taking the logistics industry by storm. From delivering packages to transporting medical supplies in remote areas, these drones are redefining the future of delivery services. Now, imagine a swarm of drones lighting up the night sky, creating a spectacle of colors and patterns. Welcome to the world of drone light shows. These shows have become a popular alternative to traditional fireworks, offering a more eco-friendly and awe-inspiring display. From festival celebrations to corporate events, drone light shows are lighting up our nights in the most splendid ways. In the realm of surveillance and security, drones are playing a pivotal role. Surveillance drones, equipped with high-definition cameras and tracking systems, are used for tasks ranging from border patrol to traffic monitoring. They offer a high vantage point, providing real-time data that can be critical in maintaining security. And then, of course, there are the military drones. These drones, often remotely controlled, are used for reconnaissance, combat, and even supply delivery in conflict zones. They've changed the face of modern warfare, allowing for precision strikes and reducing the risk to human soldiers. In summary, drones, in their various forms, have become integral to many aspects of our lives. From capturing stunning visuals, aiding in agriculture, redefining delivery services, creating mesmerizing light shows, to ensuring security and revolutionizing warfare, the applications of drones are as diverse as they are innovative. And as technology continues to evolve, it's clear that the sky's the limit for what drones can do.